gore o tsere ka toronkong gore yo ngwa bona ke mo re separatang bo gona le batho le gore ba se bamba mo strateng mara ka da ke mo le re tlo kgona bona gore monna o kgona go mosadi le nga o fa le stick la mente wa nkgopela le stick ka mase ke tlo tsoša ke a re shawareng a wa tswale roa omfrosta a go botse story na bro o botsa lo jebe ke di bone straight so condom di atla ka tona ba di share condom ka ma boxes
sengazi
re banna ka ofela condom tse ke tjai banya bro ga gona le basadi ka ba fana ba le ba bona ba tsa maso fana ona o bolelle ena ra go emenyana ke basadi ka bua bro
The man I fear the most is a Musadi.
So okay. Sheboki, you again, 15 years old, Sheb.
Yeah.
Okay, now go Tronkong for the very first time. How do you make this move? You're not greeting anyone. Why again?
bo gona le batho le gore ba se bamba mo strateng mara ka da ebile ke a bona bo di stokis mo present ke mo le re tlo kgona bona gore monna o kgona ba mosadi wa mfrostan ko toronkong I'm sure ba re hele a ke tsebe so mara hele ke sure ke toronkong a ke nya go botsa bo
Tronkong ke
hele ke ba lo ena so thudi a hola shapo
sure.
The next day, can
you tell me the worst thing you've...
So people die overnight in jail, dog. I mean, I am an innocent fella to die. I will never do anything such. I will never do anything bad in my life, gang. You tell myself die overnight.
Experience.
What?
It's the worst experience.
Yeah. But I know take a war. Motu ka BB so BB nyanus. Ohonoji. Utsubeng a ben tungo le ngwa ka tronkong ya bolela bro le nga o fa le stick la mente wa nkgopela le stick ka mase ke tlo tsoša ke a re shawareng a wa tswale roana wa mfrosta a go botse story na bro go botsa lo jebe ke di bone straight so so mara dilo tse dingwe bro
this is funny gang like no
a bone ke re tronko bro guys ida ke ntwe lo reng ya o thusho ra o destroy wa gore wena o ile ka mentality mo jwa if o ile o ya tronko ga ile ra ke ya tronko a bona le batho motho a thabela gore ya tronko ga re wa graduate or ya school wa university wa bona a bona ka tla ka mentality mo so bro ga ba bantshi motho ona e tswa ka go tswa le sa motse nomfrostan because nga kwa bro wena ke butchentong wa ba tlisha di condom ka tronko every month di condom di atla ka tronko ba tlisha di condom ka ma boxes
sengazi
re banna ka ofela condom tse ke tjang banja nomfrostan it's the
so much a condom for the bruise is crazy. Brew contact, you talk about you bringing condoms. Mostly you're supporting the agenda, dog. High key. I think the prisoners are actually supporting Bruce chowing each other, bro. High key.
But this body is the condom.
Life. Go prison condom di atla straight.
Serious, my body's body is a machi.
Dia span.
Man.
Bro ga gona le basadi ka da. Bro fan me o bona.
Basadi go.
Ba fana ba le ba bona ba tsa maso. Fana ona o bolelle ena ra go emenyana. Ke basadi ka bua bro a ke nya go ba fana ba ba ile mo stress ba paletsi batswadi a bone ke reng bro ga bona ba fana ba ba tlhomphe batswadi ba bona bro ga
no what are they bumping so what we're learning here the people that are bumping on the streets have taken it before that's why dog that's why like the walk is paralyzed think about it gang like when they walk it's paralyzed gang like aren't you getting it then people copy the style thinking it's fashion. These people are paralyzed, bro. They're paralyzed.
Eba ngwana ai o rumiwe o clean o lo tsheka moka because sembro ga ga o le ngwana ka gae o ngwana o tlo ba ngwana le ge o ya tronko ene ngwana o tlhokomelwa o re situation ke ka mo so wena o ka rolo khwara ya ngwana ka gae o tlo re ile tronko motswadi wa semmone mo a ona motho a tlotla a go re khwara wena o ile di khwareng o fitla go wa tswa le wa tsuba o direng dijo a o kgotsofale wa tsuba a ba bantši gore ba feletse ba baisisao a se tabaeng ga ona visit go sena visit kwa e o e kry-a kae o kry-a dijo kae o no phaka dijo tse ba o fang tsone ene a di enough so wa bona goreng borwaka e setse le gore o tsuba bo di-drugs o tsuba dikwae di bo dipatse o ka ra problem ene go tswelela ka nte fele gore bontse o tsuba drugs ka gare ape drugs ya ka gare di a tura ntong kore ntho e le gore o e reka ka 20 ranta ka ntle o e reka ka ma 200 ka
Tax. Oh, they're living in a different economy in jail. No way, gang. Tax. Come on.
so tshwanetse o bro
Yeah, boy.
a bone ke reng gore ba fana ba bara a ba fuka gore a ba tlhompe batswadi ba sekolong
ke a utlwa
e be di clever ka di-marks ka ba clever ka
ko strateng
Okay, guys, thank you for tuning in. That was crazy, dog. The toughest man in the world is in jail. It's crazy. It's crazy. Thank you for tuning in. If you're in a full bro, you didn't hear. I'll see you next episode. Peace out. Pow.